Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Telegram Desktop not connecting on Windows 11. First, close Telegram Desktop completely. Right-click the Telegram icon in the system tray and choose Quit. After that, open it again from the Start menu and check if it connects. Next, you can check if a firewall or VPN is blocking the connection. If you are using a VPN, turn it off and try opening Telegram again. You should also check Windows firewall settings and make sure Telegram Desktop is allowed to access the internet. If the problem continues, reinstall Telegram Desktop from the Microsoft Store. Open the Start menu, search for Microsoft Store, and open it. Search for Telegram Desktop. Uninstall the current version from your system, then install it again from the store. You can also try running Telegram in compatibility mode. Right-click the Telegram Desktop shortcut and choose Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program in compatibility mode and select Windows 8 from the list. Click Apply and then OK. After that, open Telegram again. Finally, try switching to a different network. For example, connect to a mobile hotspot or another Wi-Fi network and see if Telegram connects properly. Sometimes the issue is related to the current network. Thanks for watching.